Could you please keep your mobile phone into your pocket or in your bags? Honorary judges, or my dear friends, our topic today is Buddhist way for peace of mind. I have a beautiful younger sister. Last 2 months ago, her husband died from the disease of cancer. After 1 week, her baby, who was only 9 days old, died again. That problem came to me as a shock. As a brother, I had to find a solution. That's why I went back to my home and tried to find the solution. In the beginning, it's very difficult. I had no idea to solve it. But finally, I got an idea to talk about a story of a woman which is very similar to her. At the time of the Buddha, there was a woman who lost parents, husband, and also her children. She was wandering here and there randomly without wearing any clothes on her body. Finally, she got in front of the Jedamuna monastery where the Buddha was preaching the Dhamma. The Buddha reminded her, "Oh sister, be mindful." At that time, she remembered her situation and she wear the clothes given by a man. She asked the Buddha, "Please save my life." The Buddha asked her that, "Do you know the old, aging, and death?" "Yes, of course I know." "And then, do you know not being old age and aging and not being dead?" "Of course I know." "So have you frightened the old age, aging, and death?" "Of course I'm afraid." "That's you are suffering a lot. That's because you do not know the truth." The Buddha replied to her, "You do not know the truth. That's why you left, and then you went it. And then you were attached something or someone. And you, after being attached, you were trying to get. And you were getting, and you will suffer again. Why you do not know the truth? You do not know the truth. This is called ignorance or moha. You want it. This is craving or defilements. And you attach it. This is called attachment. And you try to get it. This is the form. And you will get it. This is the life. There, the Buddhas do not love yourself and do not love others. How can I live without loving my dear self, who is very lovely? So as long as you love your life, you will suffer. The ignorance and craving will make your life again. And then you will suffer. To extinguish your life, you have to cultivate and you have to practice 4 foundations of mindfulness, which are mindfulness of body, mindfulness of fear, mindfulness of mental state, and mindfulness of Dharma. I told my sister this story. After hearing this, my sister recovered. And she lived with my brothers. So in the beginning, I permit you to keep your cell phone into your pocket. This is also one thing you left too much in your life. Overall, I would like to mention that please do not let yourself and do not let others practice 4 foundations of mindfulness. This is the way for the peace of mind. Thank you so much.